Hello everyone, myself Dr. Sridhar, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Government First Grade College, Gokak. So today I solve some problems on residue theorem. Okay, so let us start. Evaluate the integral over c 2z minus 1 divided by z into z plus 1 into z minus 3 dz, where c is the circle mod of z is equal to 2. Okay, so solution. So now let us take first, let f of z is equal to 2z minus 1 divided by 2 into z plus 1 into z minus 3. Okay, so now we first find the poles. So to find the poles, what we do, we equate the denominator to 0. Okay, so to find the poles, z plus 1 equal to 0 and z minus 3 is also equal to 0. This means z is minus 1 and here z is also 3. Now see, the power of z plus 1 is 1. So z is equal to minus 1 is a pole of order 1. Similarly here, the power of z minus 3 is 1. So z is equal to 3 is also a pole of order 1. So now we calculate the residue. So therefore residue of f of z at the pole minus 1 is equal to, now according to the formula, so what we have, limit as z tends to minus 1, okay, into z minus of minus 1 into f of z. So f of z means 2z minus 1 divided by z plus 1 into z minus 3 into 2, right? So that is limit as z tends to minus 1, so z plus 1 into 2z minus 1 whole divided by 2 into z plus 1 into z minus 3. So now here this z plus 1 and z plus 1 get cancelled, or this is equal to limit as z tends to minus 1, so this is 2z minus 1 divided by 2 into z minus 3. Now substitute the limits. This is equal to 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2 minus 1 divided by this also, z is equal to minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 into 2, that is minus 8. So that is minus 3 by minus 8, or minus minus get cancelled, 3 by 8. So this is residue of f of z at z is equal to minus 1. Now similarly we calculate residue of f of z at z is equal to what? At z is equal to 3. Which is equal to now residue at pole 3 is equal to, so this is limit as z tends to 3 into z minus 3 into f of z. F of z is 2z minus 1 divided by z plus 1 into z minus 3. So now this z minus 3 get cancelled. Then substituting the limits, z is equal to 3. So 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 1, that is 5, divided by 2 into z is equal to 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 2 into 4. Or this is 5 divided by 8. So this is the residue of f of z at z is equal to 3. So now, therefore, only two poles are existing. So therefore, according to residue theorem, by residue theorem, integration over C of f of z dz is equal to 2 pi I into sum of residues. That is, integration over C is equal to f of z means it is equal to 2z minus 1 divided by z into z plus 1 into z minus 3. Sorry, it is 2 into z plus 1 into z minus 3 dz is equal to 2 pi I into sum of the residue. The first residue is what? It is equal to 1 divided by 3. Okay, the first residue is, we have calculated, that is at z is equal to 1, it is equal to 3 by 8. So therefore 2 pi I into the first residue we obtained is 3 by 8. Okay, so this is the residue at z is equal to minus 1. So it's equal to 3 by 8. Next, plus residue at z is equal to 3. So it's equal to what? 5 by 8. So it's equal to 5 by 8. So which is equal to 2 pi I into 8 LCM. After taking LCM, 8 is the LCM. 5 plus 3 again 8. 8 by 8 is 1. So this is equal to 2 pi I. So this is the answer. Okay, so this is how to solve the integral by using residue theorem. Thank you.